Hello everybody and welcome to the unboxing for the November Your Creative Studio kit. Now I know the box says December, but Amanda reached out and told me that this is actually the November kit. So let's jump right in. We have a bunch of bluish florals. So let's see, and looks like the first thing we have is the washi. Let's bring that right up to the camera. That is pretty, I like that. Alright, next we have some divider tabs. So these we can put at the edge of a journal page or in your planner if you want to divide out the months. I don't think we've had anything like this before, so I'm super excited for those. I'm using a lot more junk journals this year, so that's going to work really well. Alright, the next thing we have is this super cute metal tin, and it's spring loaded, which is fun. How cute is that? I love the design. Super cute. Okay, next is this black and white collection. So half of it is vellum and the other half is like a cream paper, and they are illustrated botanicals. Love that. That's super cute. I love the simplicity of that. Looks like we have another little pad here. I love the cover of this. I actually have this thing right here in my personal stamp collection, but here are the designs. They're like pre-collaged postal elements, which I obviously love. I love all the cancellations and labels. So good. Oh my gosh, love, 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 love. All right, we have a stamp. It's cute. I can't tell which way is up, but I love that. These are going to be so much fun to use. We have another stamp. Oh, this is a cute little like bordered one. That looks really fun. We have a box of round labels. We've gotten these similar designs in the past, and I still have like a ton left over. But we've just got red, blue, and green. Love being able to share that. That's one of the things I love most about getting full packs. Alright, so here is the exclusive sticker sheet. Dead, dying, cute, love. Okay. Here is the sticky notes, and mine's got a little bit of excess glue. Not that it bothers me, but there's also snowflakes I'm noticing here. Sorry if you can hear my eldest coughing. He's struggling with asthma right now. But I like that. I like the snowflake elements. It's not in your face, but it's there. This one was packed kind of oddly, but here we are. We got some bookmark looking paper. Super cute. This one has got some postal elements as well. Looks like 5, 6 sheets, and they're semi-textured but not like a lot. This one's got lots of snowflakes, and more floralies, snowflakes, and postmarks. So that's really cute. There's 3 designs. Love. We have another pack of stickers, which looks to be seasonal, because we've got some Christmas holly, some March clover, got some hydrangeas, and then just other pretty florals in these really cute strips. We've got 2 sheets of those and a thicker sheet, and then these look like they're rectangle squares, like address labels. Super cute. There's a smell with those. And then this is the last item, which is the 6x6 paper pad, and this is thick paper. I love the designs. This is a very good compromise for winter without being too wintry. It's florally and delicate and soft and has that vintage element, but these, you know, sprinkled snowflakes, you know, delicately put in is just really, really cute. Let's test the stamps maybe. I don't think we need to because we know that the stamps are amazing quality, but it's always nice to see the image a little bit clearer than on the gray backing thing. So stand by. Alright, so I'm using a brand new ink pad. This is a VersaFine Clair ink, and I got my fingers in it perfectly there. Man, the difference that a good ink pad gives is big. I think I did that one upside down. That's okay. I got ink everywhere. Oh my gosh, I really, really love this one. Looks like that's how it's supposed to be. And I love this border. These designs are so intricate and clear. Ooh, love. Okay, so I am gonna play with this soon. I have a lot of catching up to do in my journals, so let's get the light back. So just stand by to see these elements get put to work, but so far I'm very excited. It's going to be tricky using the elements that have the snowflakes on because I'm in March now, but and I live in Florida. It doesn't snow here, but still I'm very excited. So that's it. Stay tuned to see more from this kit in the future, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.